smell of wood and ink fill the room. The creaks and squeaks create a symphony. And for one art professor, this piece of history was found in a most unlikely place.
Ran an ad and I saw it and I absolutely had to have it. So I called him up.
Kim's printing press is estimated to be from 1825 at the earliest and 1840 at the latest. The professor says it is an earlier make, though.
It's really important to them that it goes to somebody who either kept it and used it or refurbished it.
This rare printing press was one of the few in the United States, but is more common in Europe. It is arguably one of the oldest presses in the country.
Ones that are here now are the ones that have been imported or exported from Europe by individuals who wanted to bring them back.
And it was those individuals who allow a lucky art professor with something that he says is one of a kind.
It's a rare thing here, so I'm excited, just totally excited about it.
Many are fascinated with finding out where they came from. People like Kim link people together simply because of their passion. With photographer Ann Hook, I'm Dora Brallo, reporting for Studio One.